Assalamu alaikum and good morning, and we are in front of you once again. I hope you're enjoying your classes, you're enjoying your day and having a wonderful time. This is our numeracy class right now. And remember, we are learning to trace numbers. We did up till 6, and now we are going to do another 2 numbers today, and we are going to learn to trace, and then we will trace it in our books. Okay, now remember, we did 6 yesterday. That was the last number we did. And today what we're going to do, 7. Yes, we're going to do number 7. Very easy. This starts from here, goes here, and then comes down. Very easy. This way, okay? Now you can even put your finger on the screen and you can trace it. Number 7, yes. You can trace it over here. If you don't have the touch screen, you can trace it very easily, yeah? See? So you're going to trace like this, and this, okay? Very easy. So we are going to do today number 7, the tracing of number 7. We will count number 7 and we will do the tracing of number 7. So you're going to take out the same book which we were doing before, and that is your Maths Wise book 1. Yeah, your Maths Wise book 1 you're going to take out. So we will do the tracing, and you are going to take out page number 48. Yeah. Everybody take out the book and take out page number 40. Good. Page number 48. Very good. Now show me what you can see on page number 48. Yes, you can see a cow. There are, how many cows are there? There's 1 cow. But we are not doing number 1. What are we doing? 7. What is the thing which are in number 7? Is there anything which is 7 in numbers? Yes. Now look at this. There are some chicks, sitting on the cow. There are some chicks sitting on the cow. Can you see that? Now you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have 7 chicks, then 7 birds, and they're sitting on the cows. Have you seen this before? Some bird is sitting on a buffalo, on a cow, or a goat. Have you seen that? That's so amazing. I've seen that, but there are like 7 of them, maybe 1 or sometimes 2, but that's a wonderful thing to see. So we have a dice. Now, how many dots you can see on the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, 7. So you are going to trace number 7 because we have number 7 over here. Now going to trace number 7, right? Number 7. You're going to trace number 7 like this. So you can see the red dot from where you have to start, and there is an arrow you're going to follow. The arrow is going this way and then coming down, right? The arrow is going this way and then coming down. So you're going to trace in the same way. You can trace the big picture on the screen, and then you can trace the small picture on your book, right? That's good. So how are you going to trace this? Starting from here, go here, and then come down. Starting from here, go, and then come down, okay? Here, arrows come down, okay? That is great. Right, very good. Okay, now you're going to trace the ones here. Write the number 7. So first of all, you're going to practice here, and then you're going to write it over here, right? Okay, let's start practicing, starting from here. Yes, very good. Starting from the red dot. Yeah, then again, starting from the red dot. Good. And here, starting from the red dot. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Isn't that easy? Okay, so now you are going to write number 7 in the rest of the boxes. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 squares, we are going to write number 7 in it. Okay, yes, quickly, just look at number 7 and try to write it by yourself. Okay, yeah, very good. I know you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. That is great. Okay, done? Okay, show me your page. That's great, very good. Very good. Show me a page, everybody. Have you completed this? Okay, that's great. You can do it so quickly. I'm so surprised. That's very good. Very nice. Okay, now have a look at this page number 49. Yeah, what you can see. There's a hen with some of the eggs. So they're telling us all these numbers 5, 6, and 7, because how many eggs can you see in the basket? Can you please count the eggs? Yeah, there are 7 eggs, and we are going to write up till number 7. This you can practice later on as your homework. Right now, we are going to trace and write number 7 and number 8. Okay, now you can open up page number 50. Now, page number 50 says 8. What does page number 50 says? 8. It says 8. Yes, very good. Page number 50 says 8. And we are going to, there are curved lines which are going to join, starting from here, overlapping here, and then coming back to the same point from where we have started it. Okay, starting from here, like this, and curve, overlapping, and coming back. Okay, now you just trace it on the screen with your fingers, number 8, right? Starting from here, overlapping. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Okay, that is great. See, so this is very easy. Now, have a look at this page number 50. What you can see on page number 50? An octopus. Yes, you see an octopus. Now, do you know why it is called an octopus? Octopus. You know why? Do anybody know that? Okay, this is called octopus because octa means 8. Octa means 8. So octopus have 8 legs. Can you see this? Octopus have 8 legs. That's why this is called octopus. So as we have octagon, which has got 8 sides, the octopus have 8 legs, and that's why this is called octopus. Now you're going to count the legs. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. And how many black spots you can see on this dice here? Count. Yes, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side, and 1, 2 and 3 on the other side. Yes. So they're all together 8 black dots. Okay. Now you're going to trace number 8, the big 8 and the small 8. Okay. So you see, this starts from here, goes like this, overlap, and then just come back to the spot we have started. Okay, that's great. So we're going to start from here, the red dot. By following the arrows, you are going to complete tracing, right? Starting from here, following the arrows, come here. Okay, that is great. Okay, now practice this with your finger first, and then we will trace it with the pencil, right? Okay, yeah, quickly do it with this. Okay, now do this with the pencil. Yes, you're going to trace 8. Yes, on your book. Yes, this is a little tricky, but very easy to make, right? So you're going to start from here. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's great. So you did this? That's lovely. Okay, now you are going to do these first because you will get prepared to write in these 12 squares, right? Now start writing these 8s, trace them slowly, very slowly, easily, comfortably. Follow the, yes, follow the arrows. So by following the arrows, zoom, 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 and then coming back to the point, right? How? Starting from here, zoom, zoom, overlap, and back to the same point you have started, right? Easy? Okay, now show me your page. How have you done that? Good. That's amazing. That looks very nice. Good, 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 good. I'm so happy. Okay, that's great. So see, this is easy. And you're going to practice that at home by just doing these 2 pages. Maybe you can do the page number 49. Practice this at home. And you can practice it on page number 51 as well, right? 7, 7, 8, 8. You're going to count and you're going to trace and then write because you have practiced it now and you know how you can do it, right? Okay, so this was our numeracy class today, and we are learning about tracing numbers and writing numbers, and then you'll be able to write it, not even looking at that, you'll be able to write it by your own. Okay, that's great. So I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, please, please, please stay safe, be happy, be grateful, wash your hands, wear your mask, and keep the social distancing. Okay, so I'm going to see you soon. Till then, bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.